Need to add text to your downloaded PDF files? Here's a quick guide. First, here's how it's done on a Mac. Open your PDF file in Preview. At the top right corner, click the markup icon to display the editing tools. Next, select the Type Box tool, the icon with a box and the letter T. A text box will appear on your page. Double-click inside it, type your text, then move it wherever you need it on the worksheet. In Mozilla Firefox, open your PDF and use the top right toolbar to select the text T tool. Click anywhere on the page to add a text box, then type your text. You can adjust formatting, resize, recolor, and drag the box to position it where you want. You can also use Google Drive, Microsoft Edge, or any PDF editor installed on your device. The process is usually very similar. Simply look for a text or annotation tool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to printmyenglish.com.